How do you teach artificial intelligence to leverage human intelligence while at the same time teaching students about its ethical use? Hi, I'm Nancy Frey, one of the co-authors, along with Doug Fisher, of the educational leadership column, Instructional Insights. In the video that accompanies this column, you'll see high school teacher Sarah Hawley as she uses AI not only to teach her students about how to use it, but to think closely about its ethical use. She does so in a business and finance class where students use the AI chatbot in order to be able to make some decisions about developing a financial plan for somebody's profile that they are using. Enjoy.
What's the difference between using AI to cheat and using AI to think better? I'm Miss Holly. I'm teaching a personal finance course, and today we are learning how to create a budget for a fictional character using artificial intelligence.
I think one of the biggest differences is that one is just using it to copy and paste, and the other one is to understand the subject that you're being told to study on.
And how would you use it to understand a subject better?
Yeah, I did research on presidential doctrines.
I've used it for sentence starters to start what I need to write about.
Today we'll be learning how to create a realistic personal budget using AI tools and financial reasoning while practicing responsible AI use and effective prompt writing. So I asked ChatGPT, what's the best way to be a prompt engineer? And this is what it recommended. You give ChatGPT a role, you give it a task, and then you include as many details as possible. So everyone's gonna have a different person that you're creating a budget for. So they all have different occupations, they have different hobbies, and they have a couple different savings goals. Create an initial prompt. So don't accept the first response, refine it, make sure it's detailed, make sure it's something that your friend will find helpful. Are all of your budgets accounting for savings goals? Right? The point of the budget is to have savings for the future.
I personally made a little twist on it to make it a little bit more interesting. I want a high-risk portfolio and to account the changes with my savings and my goals.
Say your friend loves animals and found this really cute dog online and they just caved. They went for it, they got the dog, it's now their responsibility.
Can't afford a dog.
How about they did it? They went for it.
Yeah, they need to find a new home for the dog.
What are some expenses that your friend will incur with a dog?
Pet insurance?
Yep, pet insurance. Breezy?
Haircuts?
Yeah, haircuts. Grooming. This project is important because students will think of different aspects that go into a budget, but then also use ChatGPT to make further suggestions. AI is going to be an inevitable part of our students' future and our future as teachers. And that is why I think it's important for students to understand how to use it as a tool. What did ChatGPT generate for your fictional character to create some extra income?
My person is a paid software development intern, so it gave advice like tutoring programs and build and sell simple tools or app or technical content creation.
Gia, what decisions did you make that ChatGPT couldn't?
I thought of cutting back on how much the profile was eating out instead of cooking at home.
Budgeting is a lot about consumer behavior, psychology. Is someone gonna want to give up going to their favorite coffee shop or give up traveling in order to stick to a budget? And everyone's different in that way. Can ChatGPT tell?
The only person that can tell is the person who's got the budget. To teach responsible use of AI, I think is essential amongst teachers, administration, to have guidelines around how to use it properly in a manner that can increase your learning and not just saying what, but how.
I think this topic is especially interesting because I'm learning alongside the students. Artificial intelligence is rapidly expanding and AI can be used to enhance learning for both teachers and students.